In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix account connection failed error on Sweatcoin app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. So if you are getting this error on your Sweatcoin app where you are told we couldn't pair your Sweat wallet and Sweatcoin account, please try again. There are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. Now, in the first method to fix this, you need to ensure that you have enough coins in your wallet before you can try this. Then you need to ensure that you are not using a VPN, as sometimes this might be the cause of the issue. However, if this is none of the problem, then you need to troubleshoot your Sweatcoin account. To do that, go to settings on your phone, and then from settings you want to look for apps option. This will list all the apps on your phone. If you don't see them, tap on manage apps or all apps to see all your apps. Search for your app, so I'll just search for Sweatcoin, and here it is. And if I tap on it, we are on the app info page. Here you want to force stop app, and then go to clear data and clear cache, and finally clear all data. Once you are done, you'll need to restart your smartphone and go to your account, log in with the correct account details, and then try to make your payment. And now at this point, everything should be okay. So let me know which of these was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.